म्हापशेच्या कॉम्बॅट किक बॉक्सिंग मार्शल आर्ट अकादमीन दक्षिण आशियाई आर्म बॉक्सिंग चॅम्पियनशीप 2025 जैत जोडिल्ल्या खेळगड्यांक भोवमान केलो. भुतानी कॅराचो सीईओ अमित तनेजा हांच्या हस्तुकीं मेडलिस्टांचो भोवमान जालो. तरणाट्यांच्या टॅलंटाक बळगे दिवंक भुतानीचो सदांच तेंको. सीईओ तनेजा उलयलो.
First of all, I would like to thanks Goa peoples, CKB to invite us for such events. I would really honored to be a part of such event along with this green drive. As Bhutani Care is always said, we work for the people, we are for the people, and we will always for the people. And we always want the surroundings, the nature to be developed in that way. That's why we always support Green Drive, Go Green Drive, as well as we always want to encourage such students who are bringing medals for our country.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.